Hello students, welcome to Academic Aura. Today we are going to solve an important activity question from your textbook, which is on page number 154. Now see in this sum, in figure 7.30, this is the figure, side of the square ABCD. Now ABCD is a square, side is given 7 centimeters with center D. Suppose D is the center and side is given with, square ABCD is 7 centimeters. Now with center D and radius DA, suppose if this becomes a sector over here, okay, this part becomes a sector over here. If this is the sector, so this will be your center, okay, for the circle. If this is your sector, okay, if this is a circle and this becomes your sector, if this is your sector, this is your center and this will be your radius. Understood? So this is your radius 7 centimeters and theta is, we have to take, since it is a square, all the angles will be 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees and radius is given 7 centimeters. Okay. Sector, radius DA. DA is the radius. Sector D, that is AXC. Okay. Sector D, AXC. This is X, AXC. This part, this sector is drawn. Fill in the following boxes properly and find out the area of the shaded region. Okay. So now see, we have to find the area of the shaded region. How we will find out area of the shaded region? First we have to find out the area of the square. Then we will find out area of sector. Area of sector formula we have learnt. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. First find out area of square. Then from that we will subtract area of sector. Understood? So to find the area of the shaded region, area of square minus area of sector, we will get this shaded region. Understood? So let's begin with this sum. See, solution, area of square. Now area of square formula we want. Area of square is equal to side square. Side square. Okay, area of square formula is side square. Now side is given how much? 7. 7 square, or you can write 7 multiplied by 7. 7 square or 7 multiplied by 7. So 7 sevens are 49. So here we got area of the square. Next I told you we will find the area of this sector here. Okay, area of sector D AXC. This sector we will use sector formula. Formula for area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Understood? Now theta. Theta, since it is a square, all the angles are 90 degrees. So theta is 90 degrees. 90 upon 360 into pi r square. R square. R is 7. That means here we will get 7 multiplied by 7. Now see this working. You just have to fill in the boxes here. Don't do the reducing work of here. Okay. Don't do the cutting work 7 and 7. That has to be done in the rough work. So when you work out, when you solve this, you will get 38.5. This is already given. Understood? This is already given. Now area of the shaded region. As I told you, area of the shaded region will be area of the square. Understood? Shaded region will be area of square minus area of the sector. Minus area of sector. What is that sector? D dash AXC. Okay. Area of square minus area of sector. Area of square we got 49 minus area of sector 38.5. 38.5. Understood? So when you subtract this 49, see here, 49 minus 38.5. Okay, point will come outside over here. 38.5. Put a point here and put a 0 since there is no number over here. You get 5 here, 0 and 1. So what you get is 10.5. Understood? So what we get here is 10.5 square centimeters is the shaded region, area of the shaded region. Understood? So we have finished this activity question. If you liked it, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.